friends. Welcome back. This is part 2 of the bus chassis videos. Here I show the assembling which could be helpful for others when assembling. Link to part 1 for unboxing is in the description. 8 pairs of nuts are used to extend the ladder frame. These are small parts requiring some patience, but not too difficult to assemble. Let us put the axles at positions for checking. Frame has options to have axles at different locations, for different wheelbases I guess. Now fixing the axles using the longer bolts. Assembling adds to the feel of building something. Although initial thoughts were why wasn't it shipped after assembling? Checking for the suspensions. Leaf suspensions add to the feel of being replica for real chassis. Rear appears to be a bit stiff. Assembling the propeller shaft. Join the 3 plastic parts in alignment. These screws are really small. Mount screwdriver set wasn't helpful. What finally worked out is a careful use of the detailed penknife.